Hello friends, today we will see what is HTML list. So let's start. HTML list means set of related items. Okay, here I already wrote down some list. Okay, this is the unordered HTML list, ordered HTML list and description list. So we will see one by one. Okay, unordered HTML list. First is the unordered HTML list. Unordered list starts with UL tag, and inside of the UL tag there is a li tag. Okay. In the browser we will see unordered list. Okay. UL inside li tag, and it mentioned as a bullet point. Okay. Then order HTML list. Order HTML list starts with OL tag. OL. This is the starting tag /OL. This is the ending tag. Inside of the OL there is a li. In the browser we will see ordered HTML list. There is the order like 1, 2, 3. It's a numbering. Okay. Third one is the description list. Description list is a list of terms with the description of each item. Okay, DL tag define description list. DL/DL. This is the description list. DT tag defines term, description term or description name, and DD tag describe each term. Describe each term. In the browser, we will see the output. This is the description list. Name is the coffee, and inside of the coffee there is the description. Milk. There is the white cold drink. This is the milk description. This is the description list. And description and the list of HTML is supported to the all browsers. This is the HTML list. Thank you.